Hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to use delete posts and custom posts plugin. So after you've uploaded the zip file, you will see this activation button in the plugins area. Once activated, let me activate it. You will have a page in settings, delete posts. This page will consist first of two blocks. The first block is the search criteria, and the second one is the query you will build. So to make a query in WordPress, you have to insert at least two parameters. First one is the post type, so you select the post type you want to delete, and then the post status. This is mandatory. Of course, you can add additional criteria with this button. If I hit test query now, it will search all my posts with any status. You can see this written in here. So testing this will give me over 400 posts. I've created a bunch of test posts using Wordpress plugin. I can, of course, paginate all these posts that I found. These posts have, of course, any data can be read above the content. I can also change my query by hitting Modify Query button. Also, let's try to search, for example, all posts that have a specific word. Let's take this one. I will take it randomly. Let's take a word. So, for example, let's search all posts with any status. Search parameter and search for a word. I will search for this word. You can see this result in here. Also, I can delete my query parameter. Test it. And it found like 460 posts. If I open one and search, you can see that this word is present. So if you have a bunch of posts, like thousands of posts with a specific criteria, you can very easily use this plugin to delete all those posts. You can build in there are a lot of parameters like author, categories, tags, search, post and page parameters, and every category has subcategories like IDs, logs, and so on. All these were added from WP query page. Of course, you can also add custom queries using the filter we've added. The filter can be found in the documentation in developers section. For example, if I copy this and, for example, add it to my theme, this is the installed theme. In the argument variable, you can add additional queries. For example, let's take this one, taxonomy query. For example, I have a very complicated taxonomy and I want to search all posts that have, for example, I don't have tags in my test environment, but I have categories. Let's take this one. So, argument tax query will have an array consisting of one category or post format. Let's take only the category section. We'll delete this one, category. I have a text category. No, this one, test slug. When a specific, when the delete post filter is added somewhere, you will see that directly in the dashboard right here. If I hit a refresh, oh, I have a typo somewhere. Yeah, yes, I have. See, this is a notice that there is an active filter added. So searching the same query posts with any status, it will also search for a category with slug test. Let's try it out. Free posts. The same posts can be found if I go, I hope, as I didn't tested it with this specific category. See, there are free posts and the same posts that the plugin found. If I hit proceed to delete, the posts that were found will be deleted. So proceed. Are you sure? Remember, if you hit yes, it will start to delete, and it will delete without trash, so you won't be able to take it back. So at the end of deleting process, you will see a banner saying cleaning is ended. You can make a new query. There are a number of posts deleted. Also the time, it was 0 seconds, and the IDs that were deleted. Anytime you can change the number of posts being deleted at the time. For example, right now it will delete 5 posts at a time, and after these posts were deleted, it will delete the next 5. If the server is fast enough, you can increase this number to 10 or even 50, maybe 100. I don't think more will be available. So yeah, that's the main process. You can build queries with the built-in buttons. If you have a very strange and interesting query, you can just write it out in PHP somewhere in theme or a plugin or anywhere. So yeah, thank you.